Hello, this is Super Gabriel 2001 back with my friend, who is the cameraman. Cameraman, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. That was creepy. But I'm in my workshop, as you can see, if cameraman will show you around, if you can see. But the one thing in this entire workshop that I want to show you is this mini airsoft pistol I made out of a 0.5mm lead mechanical pencil. I'm going to show you guys in another video of how to make this, but for now I'm just going to show you some stuff, like, I'll tell you how I made it. Well, what I did was, I got a mechanical pencil, and screwed the end. I got this knife, like that. I didn't have that part in. And then I made it easily fit airsoft BBs. Here's a little thing of Lysol scented BBs. You just drop it on the top and then fire it. And then also, I just got an elastic band. I wrapped it around this twice so it's more powerful. I got a safety pin and I taped it to the elastic band to the safety pin. Put the other end of the safety pin in this eraser and it works. So I'll be showing you guys a shooting test with camo ammo Lysol scented BBs that I scented. And when they scented them, I had to use dust masks because it smelled really bad. Okay, cameraman, show them our target. Right here. Ripped. But I'm going to be shooting this insulation, wall insulation, again with my Lysol scented camo ammo. So I just, like I said, put it on the tip of the barrel. I'm holding this part back with the elastic, so I'm going to shoot from right about this paint and stuff. I'm kind of close. Cameraman, you can see it fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you didn't see that. I will be doing another shooting. I'll be shooting it again. If you didn't see that, if you're completely blind, I'll shoot again. I'm completely shooting a miss of it. So I'll just fix this target right now. Insulation. Itchy. Okay, ow. Cameraman, you can put it back on my workbench now on the pistol. Okay, if you want to see more shooting tests or want me to make it, because I'm going to make it once I find a cheap Bic mechanical pencil or something like that I can buy. So I have some time to buy it, whatever. If you want to see more shooting, in the comments. If you want to be nice, let's do the tiny bitty pieces of bread. Then go up there and hit subscribe. Comment, rate, subscribe, like. Or you can buy these off of me for $3. Or you can send me a mechanical pencil. I already have a pack of elastic bands, so send me a mechanical pencil and I can make it for you. And that'll be free! Now I'm getting a bit creepy now. Also, I tried making this airsoft grenade launch thing, but I don't get how it's supposed to shoot. I don't have any grenades, and I don't even know know if it works properly. I just use some ABS and caulking gun. Let me just try to open this. It's like glued in. There we go. See, it's just an ABS tube. I got some ABS tubes down there. So you just put the grenade in here, this thing right here, and you squeeze that. I guess it's supposed to hammer it like that. Close it. Then you use this to lock it in place, and then it gets stuck for me for sometimes. This is like a stock. I looked up a video a long time ago how to make this though, so probably not going to show you how to make it. You can look it up on airsoft videos. I don't even know the guy, but I do know Pep Stick Pictures too. Pep Stick Pictures. The reason there's no videos is I guess they forgot their username or password or something like that. Well, their password, but go to their second channel. They do stop motion, stuff like that, and there's only one video because he's making the part 2 of it. It's a stop motion. Or go to What's Up 402, which has no videos at all. I still know him. Or go to JTrain2000, who has one video, which I posted, and I accidentally posted the wrong video. But just subscribe to me, then subscribers in this world. This has been Super Geezer 2001 production, showing you my very own homemade airsoft gun. And don't end it yet, because I will try to shoot a mouse trap. I don't even think this is going to work, because I can't tilt it down. Well, I'll shoot around the mouse trap, whatever.
Just shoot here, and then it'll bounce down.
Good idea. Well, let's try what cameraman said to do. Oh!
It hit you.
It almost went in my chin. Look. Well, that's it for this video. And you can see the rest of my workshop. So, goodbye.